Hi everyone, I'm back and I want to explain why it's so important to me to talk about the differences between narcissistic personality disorder and ADHD. When I talk about narcissistic personality disorder, remember that's the end of the scale, but ADHD often gets very confused with emotional immaturity or primary emotional disorders, and not disorders that are, or emotional problems that are spin-offs of ADHD. I did this series on the difference between ADHD and NPD to talk about these two conditions that are so misunderstood and confused. ADHD and narcissistic personality disorder, or NPD. They seem very similar on the surface, but they are totally different, both in what causes them and how they affect people's behavior and relationships. ADHD is mainly about struggling to connect and manage attention and drive or impulsivity, hyperactivity. People with ADHD genuinely want connection, but sometimes deflect or distract themselves because their brains work differently. It's not about manipulation or control. It's about managing inner chaos and difficulty focusing. On the other hand, NPD is about protecting the self through deception, control, and manipulation. It's a defense mechanism and a personality disorder, and that's why it's called a personality disorder, stemming from a need to protect a very fragile sense of self, creating walls or masks. I have remained true to myself and divided this up into bite-sized bits or components so that we can understand each one of them. I think I've pretty much covered most of the subjects or symptoms, but if there's anything that you want to ask or any questions, please feel free to comment, share, and I will be really happy to get back to you. Let's do this together. Thank you.